Hey guys, it is February the 5th, 2025, and today we're going to take a look through the greenhouse to see how everything's looking after my pruning of the plumeria after the snow collapsed the greenhouse on top of them. As you can see, I had to do some pretty extensive prune work on them. I had to take them off here, but it's about the time we're getting close to starting to wake these up. I'm going to give these a good watering today. As you can see, was able to save. There's a seed pod on this one, a seed pod over there, and a seed pod there. A few of my other ones did lose the seed pods on the branches that broke off. I don't know that they'll be viable or not. I've got those sitting in a windowsill to see if I can finish them out, to see if they got enough from the parent plant to actually form seeds. But the rest of these here, I'm going to start watering them and hopefully promote the new growth from all these areas where I've cut them. They should branch everywhere where they've been cut, so should make these plumeria trees a lot more bushier and closer to the ground. I've also got another video that I've started today. I've started planting up some of the cuttings that we bought in Hawaii, and I'll do the same for some of the cuttings that I took from inside the greenhouse that have now calloused off. It's been about 9 days, so we'll get some of those planted up, but there'll be another video coming out in a couple of weeks showing the progress of this. Alright, all of the ice buildup that was in yesterday's video here is finally melted away. I went ahead and pruned up the rose bushes. Gonna get some new mulch to put around them. And I've got the cuttings over here on the porch. Gonna see if I can't salvage and propagate some from those. My Bismarck palm tree experiment that I was doing to see if they could handle the cold of being left outside of the greenhouse for the winter is really going to be tested, since it did snow on them. And just the very tiny little tips of the top were still out of the snow, so I may have lost the majority, if not all of these, but we'll see if they can actually handle the colder temperatures up here closer to Pensacola. These thrive better down deep in Florida, but see if my Bismarcks make it. I'll go ahead and get ready. We're going to start replanting these desert rose. What I do is every spring I take them out of the soil, raise them up about 2 inches out of the soil, and then replant. That gives all this trunk that's under the soil, makes it form even bigger trunks to give it that really thick look down at the base. This one's already got a bud on it. Got a few more bigger desert rose back there on that little stand back there, and some little ones behind it I'll get repotted. About time to water and start waking up these little plumeria. Got some monstera back there, a lemon tree, some elephant ears, and some birds of paradise. I'll get you an update once everything starts waking up and turning green again. And that's just a quick little greenhouse update for you. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing.